Matt here from Huble Digital. In this week's HubSpot Question of the Week, I'm going to be answering whether HubSpot can replace Salesforce as your CRM system. Let's dive in. To be specific, the question I got was around a company who was using HubSpot as their marketing tool and Salesforce as their CRM system. And I think their question was, how do we connect the two better? So how do we make sure that the information between the two tools is transferring well? How do we ensure the two tools are integrated well so that our sales team are getting good data out of the marketing side and the marketing team are getting good data out of the sales side? And the question was really, do they need to be using two separate systems there? Can they just be using, to be honest, all Salesforce or all within HubSpot? The person I was speaking to really likes HubSpot from a marketing perspective. They're the marketing pro users for HubSpot. And I think from a CRM perspective, there's absolutely no reason why you couldn't just shift all of your work and all of your data, all of your sales activity over to the HubSpot CRM. When HubSpot was first launched, it was initially a marketing automation tool. Then they launched the CRM system, and I think at that time the CRM system was very much focused at small and medium sized businesses. So the tools in the platform were very much focused at starting to build a database, starting to send emails, starting to reach out via the tool. But HubSpot have done so much work over the last few years to bring the CRM system up to, I guess, to be able to compete with Salesforce and challenge Salesforce. HubSpot themselves use HubSpot CRM as their CRM system. So I guess just to give you an idea of the scale of company who can work off HubSpot CRM. And now they have different levels of the CRM and the sales tools, which are focused at enterprise size companies. So, the challenges in the day-to-day automation and, deal pipelines and playbooks and sequences and all those tools, which are really focused at large companies who are looking to scale even bigger. But I guess an appreciation for the amount of automation software and I guess complex setups that is needed in order for that to be successful. So to answer the question, you can absolutely move your CRM system from Salesforce to HubSpot, and you also get the benefit of having your marketing and sales tools all in one place and feeding each other with amazing data. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's this week's HubSpot question of the week. Thank you.